Microtubes can be extremely useful in a variety of scratch building applications, fixing brake lines or a bundle of wires, or even replicating connectors. Microtubes can get the job done. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make them yourself. Here is what we need. Simply some cotton buds, but from those that have plastic handles. They're increasingly rare now and are being replaced by paper ones. I prefer to remove the cotton so I get a little bit more length. So what we have to do is light a candle and ask the modeling gods for good luck. Dancing is not mandatory but may help. Next, get the tube over the flame and rotate it. When it starts to droop, slowly stretch it. The amount of stretch will determine the diameter of the microtube. And it is not going to work every time. Take some practice but you'll get the hang of it. Then you can cut the tubes any way you want. They're quite resilient, so even if you squish them you can reinstate their shape. Can be glued with CI glue quite nicely. Thank you for watching and until next time, happy modeling fellas!